Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You power the phone off now. This prevents short circuits and preserves data. Remove the case, SIM, and memory card, and take out a removable battery. Do it calmly, not forcefully. Once done, blot pooled water with a lint-free cloth and use gentle pressure to lift moisture from seams. Make sure not to push water deeper into ports. If you have silica gel packets, place them nearby. If not, leave the phone exposed to air on a dry surface while you prepare the next steps. You now focus on displacing trapped liquid and contaminants. Open any accessible panels and dab connectors with 90% isopropyl alcohol. This helps dissolve ionic residues and evaporates quickly. Once done, use short bursts of compressed air from a distance to push out remaining droplets. Avoid heat sources and sustained airflow that can drive moisture inward. After alcohol evaporates, gently brush visible corrosion with a soft bristled brush to lift residue. Make sure the work area is ventilated and that parts are laid out to finish drying thoroughly. You wait patiently. Allow the device to dry for 24 to 48 hours in a sealed bag with silica gel or a dry, ventilated spot, no heat lamps. Once dry, reinsert the battery and SIM, then power on and run quick tests. Speaker, microphone, camera, touchscreen, and charging. If the phone fails to boot or you see erratic behavior, inspect for corrosion under the board. If present, do not continue powering. Seek professional board-level repair. One key tip: longer controlled drying beats powering on too soon.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.